yabona sometimes life in luck ihambe iphele. I'll be honest to you. Kaizer Chiefs ngizoba complimenta ukuthi bafike kule ndawo bafike kuyo namhlanje. Going to the Egypt bakorene 1 goal. Yabona they've tried their best but it was not meant to be.
Their best was not enough.
Yes. I think mangithi mina bekungamelanga sibe la sikhona. Kaizer Chiefs against Zamalek they lost the game 2-1. The referee denies Zamalek scores. Then when you number 9, their striker coming to let's cut badlala who. I think they're playing in Polokwane. There was a foul yakho clumsy. A very angiunderstandanga their foul. But because of I don't understand honestly. But because of Nami as a South African I wanted South African teams win. But mina yazi nginjani mina Shane. Mina ngifuna ukuthi siwine doing well because it benefits South African football. If you do the right things and then niyawina ngizonishayela izandla. Khona ukuthi udlale kahle ube hard luck. Kaizer Chiefs approaching games asikhulume ngegame namhlanje. Ureferee again mangithi sifike la sifike la bekungamelanga sifika. Last week Chiefs play against Al Masry. Referee was I think I think it decided of that game. Those guys got a penalty. Referee sang judge. Chiefs I think very debatable, but I think the reality check came today. Coming to Chiefs in Shilomaizo, Egypt. Truly speaking, yes, Zamalek pound to pound. As Kulbeng came in namhlanje, players. Chiefs players, I think they struggle with Makema with Tempanjingale. High profile games. There's no way in Petwe Premiership, you guys are not consistent and then you want to climb here. It's not gonna be possible.
The new Corolla Cross, filled with life.